Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. Whether you're commuting or cruising country roads, this smooth and spacious Sonata makes travel a treat. Its comfortable cabin with standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance, along with stylish good looks, make this midsize four-door your go-to family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.